Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish. Tom Yum soup is one of the iconic dishes of Thai cuisine, famous worldwide for its rich, sour and spicy flavor, unforgettable. How to make ingredients: 300g tiger prawns, 400g baby ribs, 200g straw mushrooms. 1 small galangal, thinly sliced, 4 lemongrass stalks, crushed, cut into 4 cm pieces, 10 Kaffir lime leaves, lightly crushed, 6 chili peppers, crushed or sliced, 100 ml coconut milk, 5 tablespoons lime juice, 4 tablespoons fish sauce, palm sugar, Thai chili sauce optional, coriander, cilantro/coriander, for decoration. Steps: wash the baby ribs, cut into bite-sized pieces, blanch in boiling water, drain. Wash the shrimp, cut off the whiskers and legs. Cut off the mushroom stems, wash, soak in diluted salt water for 15 minutes, then rinse and drain. Cut straw mushrooms in half. Prepare sliced galangal, lemongrass, and Thai Kaffir lime leaves. Sliced chili. Put the spare ribs in a stainless steel pot, pour in 1.5 liters of broth. Simmer the ribs for about 50 minutes until tender. Skim off the foam frequently to keep the broth clear. When the ribs are almost tender, add lemongrass, galangal, and Kaffir lime leaves to the pot of broth. Boil for about 10 minutes to let the herbs release their aroma. Add Thai chili sauce, nam prik pao, if using, fish sauce, and sugar, stir well. Add mushrooms, cook for about 5 minutes. Add shrimp, cook for about 3 minutes until the shrimp turns pink. Turn off the heat. Add fresh lime juice and sliced chili, stir gently. Taste and adjust the taste. Presentation and enjoyment: ladle Tom Yum soup into a bowl, fresh shrimp, tender spare ribs, beautiful orange soup, fragrant with herbs, sprinkle chopped cilantro on top. Enjoy Tom Yum soup while it's hot. This dish is usually served with white rice or vermicelli noodles. Things to note: Kaffir lime leaves create a unique aroma, so crush them lightly before adding. Fresh lime juice must be added last, after turning off the stove, to keep the sour taste and avoid making the soup bitter. Lemongrass, galangal and Kaffir lime leaves are required to ensure the authentic Thai Tom Yum flavor. You should crush the lemongrass and galangal so that the aroma can easily escape. Coconut milk. You can choose clear Tom Yum, nam sai, without coconut milk, or fatty Tom Yum, nam khan, with coconut milk. Baby ribs need to be simmered for enough time for the ribs to be tender. Braised ribs make the broth sweeter and tastier. Adjust the spiciness. If you don't have Thai chili sauce, you can increase the amount of fresh chili or use chili sauce instead, but the flavor will be a little different. Tom Yum soup is one of the iconic dishes of Thai cuisine, famous worldwide for its unforgettable rich and sour and spicy flavor. The name Tom Yum means spicy and sour soup. This soup is a wonderful combination of typical Thai fresh herbs such as lemongrass, galangal, Kaffir lime leaves, chili and lime juice. The combination of sour, spicy, salty and slightly fatty flavors with fresh shrimp and spare ribs will bring an extremely attractive culinary experience. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to click subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.